About a year ago, I upgraded to an Ekster wallet. It's the coolest thing and I'll never use a different brand, but I will try a different wallet from Ekster. And today, we're doing just that. This is the Juniper Green Senate card holder from Ekster. It comes shipped to your door in a really elegant box that gives you a fancy boy unboxing experience. Whether you're broke or not doesn't matter. When you hold this wallet, you're going to feel rich. Inside the box, you have a cash strap, as well as your wallet. If you push the button on the bottom, it pops up some sample cards with extra information. This is where you'll keep your cards. It fans out everything nicely so you can see all your cards and grab the one you need easily. The built-in aluminum card holder also prevents against skimming, as it has an RFID blocker. When I learned anyone can buy card skimmers on Amazon, I felt this was really important. The wallet is made out of a premium leather that is tanned under silver-rated environmental protocols for minimal planet impact. This leather also ages beautifully along with you. I can't wait to see how beautiful we are in 10 years. It can hold up to 12 cards, but the wallet also has an expandable back where you can tuck away a couple extra cards. However, if you'd like a more slim design, you can remove this and slide on your cash strap. This gives a really minimalist feel and takes up little room in your pocket. Lastly, you can add an Ekster tracker to any Ekster wallet to have peace of mind. This gives you the ability to track your wallet and even bring it so you can find it whether you've lost it inside the couch or even at the store. So if you're looking for a new wallet, you won't be disappointed with an Ekster. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go pop up the cards in my wallet some more. It's just so cool. See ya!